CEO of Nielsen Kellerman Company, and I have been working for the company for almost 30 years. I've been CEO for 10 years. NK will be 40 years old next year. NK was started in 1978 by two people who had a new invention to make a audio amplifier for rowing boats. They pretty much started the business right away. I think it was about a year from when they had the idea to when they first sold a new product. I think they started in about 1978, sold their first product in late 1979.
On the news, the hurricane they had in Florida, I think the gentleman was standing out. You guys see that video where he was standing out in that hurricane? He was using our handheld weather meter to...
All right. My name is Devin Averts. I'm an employee of Nielsen and Kellerman. I've been here for roughly 5 years now, and my job title is electronic assembler.
Well, STEM really isn't new. It's a new name for things that have been around. None of those are new topics. There's an emphasis on STEM lately because there's been a feeling that we haven't been encouraging people to go into those fields, and they're still very important. We always are trying to grow. So for all companies, growth is what helps keep you alive. If you start staying the same size or shrinking, it is very hard to take good care of your employees. So everybody knows things get more expensive. Keeping the lights on gets more expensive, providing health insurance. Everybody wants a raise every year. You guys should want that when you're out there working. And that takes growth. So we're always trying to grow the company, trying to make new products, find new customers that didn't know about our products that would like to buy them, new markets, new uses, always working on growth.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do.